Hi everyone, this is PITMuS. It is a tool that turns PIT mutation reports into real Java source files and clean datasets. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you what problem it solves, how it works, and a quick live demo of the two main commands. PIT is one of the most popular mutation testing tools for Java. It is fast because it works on bytecode, not on source code. But that is also the catch. PIT tells you that a mutant exists in which file and on which line, but it does not give you back the changed Java code. So you cannot open the mutant in your editor, you cannot compile it on its own, and you cannot use it as a training example from an LLM or as a row in a bug dataset. PITMuS fixes exactly this gap. PITMuS takes three things as input: the PIT XML report, the compiled class file, and the original Java source. It uses bytecode into to figure out which token on the line PIT actually changed. Then it rebuilds the edit in the source. The output is basically two things: a structured dataset with the original method, the changed method, and Javadoc when it is available, and the metadata. The full Mutant Java files you can drop straight into the project. There are two scripts and there are one command for each of them. Let me show you the first script. I will run it on Apache Commons DB-utils, a small Java project. One command and PITMuS writes two CSV files. The first one, meta.csv, has one row per mutant. It shows the original line, the changed line, the file path and line number, and the PIT description. The second CSV holds the full method bodies before and after plus the Javadoc. If you look closely in this CSV file, in the data of the CSV file, the first method is absolute and it is returning rs absolute row. After mutation, it is returning false. The same method is mutated twice and the second time it is returning true. For after last method, the first time it was only calling after last and the mutated version removes the call. Now the second script. This one writes mutants as a full Java file. The first mode injects every mutant on one line, which is line number 83. I give it the class, which is array handler, the line number, and also the method, which is .handle. PITMuS will write Java files, 3 and 1 for each mutant on line 83. The file names tell you the mutant ID and the line. Now, let me show you what one of these files actually look like. We want to see the differences between the original project and the mutated project. The diff against the original shows that only line 83 has changed. The ternary expression is now just return null. Everything else, the imports, the indentation, the rest of the class, all stays the same. You can drop this file straight into the project and run this on test suits. We ran PITMuS on 8 real Java projects, things like bcell, commonslang 3, JotaTime, JSoup, and many others. In total, PITMuS processed 69,229 PIT mutations. It rebuilt 69,198 of them as real source level method pairs. That is a success rate of 99.96%. Two-thirds of those pairs also carry Javadoc, which makes them very useful for LLM training and evaluation. PITMuS turns standard PIT output into clean source level bug data that modern software engineering research needs. The code, the dataset scripts, and this video are all open source and all are available on GitHub. Thank you so much for watching.